So we have gamma X pump. It is connected with the universal cable. It is coming. So our target today to control the pump on a set point. So this is the connection. We use a relay P and connect it as normally close to wires. To do the setting for this one, this is the escape button. This will be used for the calibration. This up and down key, this is for to go to the next menu. For acceptance, menu key, start and stop button. The start of stop button, if you press the stop button, it will show you the reading, but it will not take any action. So now currently we have 2.37 millisiemens per cm. This means it is almost 2300 700 microsiemens, the value which we are getting. Oh, this is the sensor we are using, LFT type, conductivity LFT type. So we will go to the menu first, and we have the limit. The first thing, you need to set the limit here. Press OK. The upper limit we make that we have the lower limit 0 millisiemens and the upper limit 2 millisiemens, which is almost 2000 microsiemens. So in this case, my P relay will be energized if it is within out of the range, let's say. So right now we have, currently we are reading 2.37. so once it will become within the range, my P relay will be de-energized. So once it is de-energized, I will be having a contact. Let's go. Okay, so in this one you have the next thing is control. In control, you are going to do the dosing pump settings and nothing else. Input, nothing. In output, you're going to use the P relay. In which sense? It can be a limit, it can be alarm. For alarm, you can use only one set point. So here we are using the limit one. Nothing else to be changed here. If you want to use the second relay, you can use the F relay. And sometime if you have an error, you have to change 20 milliamps to a higher value. So that is the device info. Let's play with the limit and show you how the pump is working. So currently it is reading 2.37 and our setting is maximum 2000. That if the value is lower than 2000, the pump shall run, and if the value is more than 2000, the pump shall stop. So go to the menu, limit, and change. Let us change this setting to 3 millisiemens. So now the relay is de-energized because what we have done, we say that do not energize the relay if the value is within the range. So now the pump is working. Okay, so we're going to change it again just to show you. Okay, let's say 2 millisiemens, which is 2000. The relay is energized, that the value is out of the range or out of the limit. So the connection which we took it is normally close. In this case, the pump is stopped.